In this video, I'd love to show you how to use Google Classroom on a phone. I've already downloaded the Google Classroom app, so I'm going to open that on up. You'll notice that I'm already signed in as a student. If it's not already signed in, you're going to need to do that first using the school account. The Classroom app will bring you up to the page that shows you all the classrooms that your child is enrolled in. You may only see one. This is a practice student, so it's going to have multiple different classes in it. To go and see a lot of different features, you can tap on the three lines at the top left. That's going to show you your classes, calendar, and the most important thing, which I love, the to-do list. So you're going to take a look at the top there where it says to do. You can tap on that, and it brings up the list of all the work that is due across all of the classes that the student is in. It'll load up and it'll show it to you according to the due date. So you can see first the things that are missing, then the section of things that have no due date, then things due today, and then for the upcoming days, so that the student can stay organized and work on things in the order that they're due. Now I'm going to tap on my first assignment that I want to complete. When it comes up, it doesn't appear to have much here. You might actually see directions, but in this case I'm going to click on your work. Now it'll pop up, and if there are assignments attached to this, I can click on one of those assignments. It will pop up with a copy of the assignment and I can see it. Now on the phone, you're going to want to use the pencil, which will allow you to write directly on the file. You can just begin writing. You can also use two fingers to zoom in, and that'll allow you maybe to write a little bit smaller. And then you can zoom back out. Now, if I try to do the left arrow at the top, it will prompt to discard the changes. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to cancel. Instead, I'm going to click on Save at the top right. It looks like it's grayed out, but it actually does work. And you'll notice it's showing it's saving it as a PDF. That's very normal. So when it takes me back to the assignment, again, I can X out of it, and now it's showing the edited PDF copy of that original file. When I'm done, I can click on Turn In. Yes, I turn in. I can also, once it's turned in and it confirms it's submitted, I can tap in the private comments and I can start typing a private comment for my teacher. This would just go between the student and the teacher, and nobody else in the class would see it. When I'm finished typing, I can simply tap on the triangle to submit it. Then I can move the assignment back down, use my back arrow to get out. I can also see if it's already done by tapping on the Done tab at the top. This shows me all the work I've completed. The most recent things I've done are at the top. Now I can tap on the three lines after I'm done with that to go back to where I was before. I can also tap on the name of a specific classroom, and I can see all of the work that's in that one classroom as well as the announcements. The announcements would be on the stream, but any assignments would be in classwork. So I can look in classwork. Anything grayed out is something I've done already. Anything in blue still needs to be done. So I've tapped one of the ones in blue, and again I tap on your work at the bottom, and again I can tap on the attachments, or I can move down and move back. All right, I can look at another assignment, see what else is in blue. I tap it to open it. It loads up. And again, I'll tap on your work at the bottom to bring up anything that's involved with the assignment. Swipe it back down, use the back arrow. Now you'll also notice that there's an upside down triangle at the top. It's a filter icon. If you tap that, it allows you to filter by topic that the teacher might have set up. I have chosen a topic, and here you'll see it'll show me only the things that fall under that exact topic. I can click on one of the assignments, and this time when I tap your work, it shows no attachment, so I need to add one. When I add the attachment, it gives me all of these choices. This is how, by the way, you would use your camera or your photos in your camera roll to attach something. In this case, I will attach from Drive. Now I'm going to tap an assignment that I know I can't add because I'm not the file owner on it. Only files you own can be added to an assignment. So I'll go back, I'll choose a different one that I have created. I'm in here, I'm going to attach it. This time it's going to let me attach it. And again, just as before, I'll just turn in to submit my work to my teacher. When I'm done, I swipe down and I move back. I can pull down on the screen and it will allow it to refresh. So in case there is any new work that has come up, that will appear. I can also tap the People tab at the bottom, and this is where I can find my teacher and email them directly from here. If I tap on the email icon for my teacher, it'll pop up your default mail program or give you an option. Otherwise, you can go back to the top left with the 3 lines and it will take you back to where you can see all of your classes. Hope this helped you.